Are any of y'all terrified to send your kids out of the house for school? Yeah, me too, sometimes. So we had the privilege of getting one of the backpack insert armor plates from Level 4 Armor that we're gonna put inside of this backpack. And yeah, we're gonna shoot it. We're gonna shoot it a lot. And see how something like this might hold up and could potentially save your baby's life if you were to get one and put it in their backpack and send them out the door to school with it. So let's see what it does. Wish we could tie it together or something. All right, guys, so we got the backpack insert set up inside of a backpack. We got so many random backpacks. Y'all know when y'all used to work at a job or whatever, but they give you just a bunch of free shit that you actually don't even need. You just need them to pay you more money. Yeah. So this is one of those backpacks from an old job I had, and I put the backpack insert inside it, but it actually has like insulation inside the backpack as well. So we got it nice and tight up against here, so that it hopefully won't fly away when we shoot it. So we're gonna see how well these things hold up, and they're actually like good protection for you, good protection for your kids at school, and stuff like that. Anything we use it for practically in real life, we're just gonna test it out and see if, like, you know, if you're gonna bet your life on something, or if you're gonna check to see if something works. I can't take myself seriously with this on, y'all. Look like a whole insurgent. So yeah, if you want to trust something in real life to save your life, you actually, it's always awesome, or it's awesome in a situation where we're blessed enough to be able to try it ahead of time, so we can know, like, okay, I can depend on it to save my life. So we're gonna test it out, so y'all ain't got to.
This is your first time shooting the SIG, huh?
That's the Rose.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me buy that one too.
Boy, I'll shoot you.
After you sell it to me.
What'd he say?
Hey, it's a nice gun though.
Yeah.
For real. Alright, that's enough. Alright. So let's walk up. Let's see what we got.
All right.
Let me see what your groups look like, girl. Hold up. Hold up. Hey, these two right here, fire. I'm glad you put this in a different spot. That's good. Let's open that thing up. Let's see what you do, hollow point.
It made some bulges.
Nelly, you definitely gonna crack a rib, but
Yeah, they're gonna hit that back. You gonna feel it when you touch that back.
We can straighten this back up. Here, like, hold this real quick, bro.
you can bend it back.
Okay. Yeah, flatten it back out. Yeah. And then next time, put it in this slot right here.
Okay.
Let's see if we can keep it upright.
Okay. Go.
I got so many different ways we can use backpacks, not even just for kids. Because remember the thing I was showing you? Oh, yeah.
Just 3 rounds.
That Rose, babe, I told you, you're going to love that shit.
Oh,
I shot one mag and I was like, I'm done. I'm done. Dad's going to love it.
Babe, this is my first rounds I fired in like 14, 16 months.
Welcome back.
Look at the group.
Got a stapler?
Not on me.
Alright, we Gucci.
No, I was gonna put something behind it.
To do what?
To see if it mess it up.
If it messes it up?
Yeah.
What you mean?
Like if it would touch it. Like the bullet would go through. Well, we know it now.
We know it ain't go through. We just looked through it.
Yeah.
The only thing it's going through is this. It shouldn't penetrate anywhere through the back. Like, for example, we have a clean target. We shouldn't have any targets that are hit.
Oh, no, that's low.
You get what I'm saying? So,
yeah.
And the other two are just me. Super dope. Get you some of that.
Me?
Yeah, get you some of that, man.
Yeah.
But don't shoot the same spot she shot.
Yeah, I'm going to shoot higher.
Okay. Go high left. And give me 3 rounds. See what you got. Oh, you shooting a nice one. Oh, you shooting a flat flat. Oh, you trying to show out.
Ready?
I'm ready. TacticalBaddie, you want some more?
Yes, of
All right,
course.
hold on, big dog, load out. Let's get some more in. We finna shoot all kinds of rounds up in this damn thing.
Oh.
Oh, it stayed on.
That works too. That works too. Let's go check it out. So what, that was 3 for you, 3 for you, so that's 9 total?
That'll probably happen in real life. It'll probably knock the person down, the impact.
For real though.
Oh yeah, you definitely gonna feel it. Oh yeah, this thing got a little heavy.
Yeah, we gonna cut it open after this.
Yeah. Oh, did some come through?
Nope, nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing
Well, it didn't go, it
penetrating.
didn't penetrate.
Let me see, hold up.
It's a hole.
Okay.
Or maybe it slid over and it was
Now,
more
that
the
is
plastic.
something that I've seen a lot of times.
And it penetrated.
Yeah.
It's a hole in the back.
Okay.
Oh.
Yep.
Right here.
Okay, cool. Cause now, look, check this out. This is something that
3
I've
holes in
seen
the
so
backpack.
much.
Is it?
You see this?
Oh, well, remember, you put it through here. We want it to go through here. We want it to go through this one.
Okay,
so we got holes here, but we inserted
That's
the
true.
thing, so we only got one hole through that last layer.
Okay.
But what I will say is, what I've learned from researching all of these like plate carriers and stuff, a lot of times manufacturers, they kind of cheap out like on the exterior, like the very close tight part. So I'll see like people who test it tend to shoot on the very edge because you naturally can see where it goes through a little bit on the edge. Hard center, you got all of this material that's focused and compressed, but on the edges you can see like, oh shit, there's
If it
some
slides up-
penetration. It's not
Yeah.
actually legit. So cool. Let's keep shooting that edge a little bit, but shoot it in a different spot. I want to
Okay.
test that.
Turn it around. I think we've been shooting it backwards, so yeah, just keep it that way. Yeah.
Okay. Let me go get the staple.
We can leave it down there.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right.
Most people
Cool.
that I be seeing shoot it actually shoot it with it leaning on the ground against something.
All right. Well, in that case, cool.
Just aim kind of for the top.
So it's more right here.
Yeah. Now we know for sure it won't fly away because it's down on the stick.
Let's get it.
Get you some.
All right. Well. Fun stuff. Fun stuff. Okay, you shot high left. You went middle.
Shoot more towards
Hold on.
the bottom where the flap is at the bottom of the flap. That's where the thing is at. Flappy.
You good, boo?
Yep.
Okay. Shoot more at the bottom flap, you said?
Yeah.
All right, doing bottom right.
That was way low. That
Oh yeah,
last-
hold on, one more. That was low.
Okay.
All right. Well, I put up. Let me show you what consistent holes do. Nah, we Gucci. No, it went too low. Oh yeah, it went
Yeah,
there.
that went way too low.
Okay.
We might have seen it though. Let me check it.
Yeah, I'll still take that backpack if y'all don't want it. I can utilize it and design it.
Oh, okay.
See what I mean?
Yeah.
The edge.
Yeah.
This is what I be talking about. Like, so we can shoot the middle all day. But it's these edges that be real careful.
Yeah.
You gotta be real careful about. So,
Okay.
all right, so now we know that. Let's fuck it up in the middle.
So how many rounds would you say we've shot already?
12,
12 rounds? Okay.
12, maybe 15.
Okay. So we know we're at least pretty good up to 10 rounds before it gets dicey.
Now, what I will say is that when I had it on, remember this morning when I was doing the backpack and I slung it over? So all of your central extremities will be protected. The edges won't even really be a factor because the backpack
true.
is so wide.
That's
So,
true. You're right.
Still a factor, still an issue.
Still
but
better to have and not need
better-
than need and not have.
100%. So
For
still
sure.
better than nothing because you can still see that it actually stops around. So
Yeah.
now we finna fuck it up in the middle. Do you think, big dog? Uh-oh. Reload!
Wait a minute.
You might need 124 grain. Because the same issue I was
that's
having,
Frankie Boo.
the ported barrel, if you're shooting 115, that's the issue that we was having. We couldn't get the slide to lock back right because of the extra gas.
Did you shoot full metal jacket or?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just did full metal.
Y'all did? Okay, I did hollow point.
Yeah, I did full metal.
Okay. If those don't work, I'm gonna give you some 124 and see if that work with it.
That's it.
That's how I was in my shooting test.
Okay. Yeah. I've been saying I'm gonna get you some 124.
Okay.
Do I have it? Nope. I don't care. All right. Let's do this. I'm gonna go high right.
Okay.
Yay, Black, your turn.
Oh, okay, because I was finna let it loose.
Rifles
guy.
don't, they will penetrate.
Yeah, I thought we were just fucking it up.
We not ready to fuck it up just yet.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it home and design it. And we had to work.
Nah, well, we gonna cut it open after this. I want to see the rounds.
The plate
That's
or whatever.
sexy. Give me 3 more.
3 more?
Give me 3 more.
Okay. If I got 3 more in here. Yep.
All right.
Oh, you got my.
You snuck a mag in my glove, you dirty dog. Baby girl.
Don't burn your hand.
Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, left a black mark on my hand. Yeah, that's hot there.
Now you see them ported barrels. You reloading, baby girl?
Yeah.
All right. Well, in that case, I think I will.
Did you shoot with the extra line?
Damn.
Hold it up. I missed. I missed.
Hold on, wait. I want to. Well, go ahead.
Yeah, at least I was closer.
It was a lot lighter than I thought.
These guys.
The wind caught it. Let's go see.
There was a slide lock.
Yeah, I just, hey, I just heard a click.
I heard a click now, all right.
And I wasn't flagging. It was pointed at the.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
I
yeah.
just
See,
heard a
look.
click.
You can tell. Look at this. Look at the target behind it.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
boy.
he shit on himself.
Yeah, boy.
I'd be able to pull it out. Oh.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Let's go
Time to cut it open.
Let's go see the damage.
All right. You want to go into the
in
shade?
the shade, man.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not doing this right here.
All right, cool.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at the back. Oh, the back is all
Oh,
blessed.
Told
Lord.
y'all we shot it in the ass.
Bless that little back.
Man.
Nice groups, though.
Yeah.
Locks you got?
Locks. You need one?
Huh?
You need one?
I was going to test those bolt cutters we got from Tactical.
Yeah, they work. I use my bolt cutters now to cut off like clients' locks if they broke, and then I got like 3 right there because I use them just because they locks be broke. Shit, so I just started like, okay, I'll give you a lock.
Can you see what does the frame look like on here?
Oh, you're perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, this is crazy.
Yeah.
I don't even know. I lost count on how many rounds that was.
We'll count the holes later.
Man. It's toe up. It's going into the backpack fabric.
Man, that's sick.
Look at all the rounds.
Oh, man, that's epic.
Look at all the rounds.
Well,
These are the hollow points, huh?
These are the hollow points, yep. See how they flared out?
Yeah, and look at this one. Shrapnel.
Yeah, those are full metal jackets that probably broke off. That's epic. This is why
You in front
you
of
don't
the thing.
like full metal jackets because they keep going.
Yeah.
And this is why you like hollow point. What is this? Oh no, that's a terrible hollow point. Look at this shit. It didn't even flare out. None of them. But they stopped.
I'm trying to grab it here.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, that's dirt. Can you see it through there?
Look, you're good.
Okay. You know what this was?
Like
Keep going.
Nah, some full metal.
Full metal.
I had the gold one.
Jesus. Bust that bad boy out.
Yeah, that look like what them rabbits be making a nest out of.
Right.
Yeah, so none of them went through.
No,
Look
none
like-
of them went through. They just...
So none of them went through here. They started
Yeah.
going through on the edges. That's what we saw.
Yeah. Interesting.
Yeah, man. Ooh, butterfly, you can't be a part of this. Let me see. Let's open up the material. See what that look like. What's that? What up in there? What up in there?
Oh, more.
Oh, girl, I need some toilet tissue. Give me some of that. This butterfly is bugging, yo.
Oh,
He is
this is
sassing
something
out.
in there. So you
Oh,
can
yeah, we
pull
gonna
out
find
all
more.
the...
Yeah.
Long as it ain't a damn wasp. So these are the several layers. Like there's one up in here, got lodged in. This a hollow point, huh?
It didn't expand though, so those rounds suck.
There's more up in there. Like this one.
Okay, I like it.
Yep. Alright, cool.
Super dope.
Yeah. Oh,
And where did this come from again?
this is from Level4 Armor in protection for the people on Instagram.
Already. We didn't even get to shoot it with a rifle because shit, we didn't need to. We fucked it up with pistol.
You're right, yeah. Let me put this here.
Super dope.
Yeah. No, we wasn't supposed to shoot rifle.
Nah.
Oh, right. Yeah. Ain't even have to cut it. You could stab it too. We could have done that.
Let's stab it real quick. Let's see what you got. Put it down and then just stab my truck. Hard as you can. You're damaging my car!
Yeah.
Already.
Let me drop a frag on it and see how far it goes. Yeah, I think that'll take the
hell
tailgate
you
out,
get a
right?
frag
I'll drop a
from?
frag on it.
That's awesome. All right, where'd you have this head back on your? That's a heavy knife.
Yeah.
Thank you.